Hey, what is up, guys? So today is Monday, the 25th of January. So in 4 days, Thursday, me and my two friends were going down to Florida. My roommate, he's always been wanting to come to Florida with us. I don't know, it just has never worked out. And I think he can come this weekend, so I'm gonna try to surprise him. He can come with us. So that's why I'm in my car right now, because I'm gonna try to surprise him. I'm gonna go in and ask him right now. But I don't know if he's here right now. Okay, so I hear Caleb upstairs. So let's go surprise him. Caleb, what's up? So, I have a question. Can you still make it to Florida this weekend?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, you wanna go?
Heck yeah, dude.
Okay, sweet. I already told my mom.
Oh, your mom said
Yeah.
yes? Oh, say no
So
more.
yeah, you're definitely going to Florida now.
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Oh, okay. What's up, YouTube?
What's up? Hey everyone, my name's Cully. Welcome back to another YouTube video where my life goal is to spread speechless moments to others. Hey guys, so right now it's 11:50 p.m. Tomorrow morning we're waking up at, I think I'm waking up at 5:30 tomorrow morning, but I already have everything packed. We're planning on leaving at 6, so let's see how that goes. I bet we leave at 6:30. Just made it to my house, and that's my dog. He never stops barking. Cooper. Here, you want to meet Levi? Only if me and you could have matching sailing hats.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Actually, I would have to like nominate you to drive the boat, but I don't know if...
I have my boating license.
First thing that we did when we got there, we jumped right in the boat and we decided to go on a little boat ride. I mean, hey, I got us going. Just going out for a little boat ride. It's bright as hell, but I didn't bring my sunglasses for some reason. Don't know why. Whenever we got back home, we decided to go take a little rest and then to go watch the sunset. We're gonna go watch the sunset with the new drone.
Get to fly it.
Yes.
Get to fly it.
He'll probably be better at it than I will be.
Not man, you are. I'll do it after you.
So you gotta hit and hold down the power button.
Here, back up. Get ready for it to explode.
I was about to say it hits me. Oh, she revs.
Who's that cool?
A nice little sunset that we have. Now we will be cooking. So first steps first.
First things
Grab
first
the
for you
patties.
guys.
What is that?
I would say that's
It's like dumplings.
Something.
Yeah, we're just cooking random shit that was in our freezer, so...
This is squirrel.
That's the squirrel that Cooper caught last week.
This is rat.
Whenever we woke up that next morning, my dad automatically had a job for us to do. He said that he needed help moving a kayak ramp over at someone's house, so we decided to go over and help him real quick before we go to Tarpon Springs for the day. I did it. And then I ended up losing a piece, so I had to jump in the water. So cold.
This way on the dock.
Okay, you ready to go to Lazy Lizard?
Yeah.
Let's go to Lazy Lizard! Lazy Lizard is our favorite restaurant to go to near our house. And tonight they were actually having a costume night of pirates, and we were totally unaware of the situation. So whenever we got there, we were very surprised by everyone dressed up, and we were very entertained by them, even our waitress. And this was just our first day down in Florida, so if you like to see what happened the rest of the week, go like and subscribe so you can see the rest.